Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Kontomire stew with spinach. Rinse and chop the spinach, then prepare onions, tomatoes, peppers, smoked fish, and palm oil for cooking. Heat palm oil, sauté aromatics until fragrant, add ground peppers and tomatoes, then fold in chopped spinach and simmer with fish seasoning. Taste and adjust salt and heat, then serve hot with boiled yams, rice, or plantain for a comforting meal. Gathering the right ingredients makes a big difference, so pick fresh spinach and authentic palm oil when possible. Prepare smoked fish by flaking and removing bones, chop tomatoes and onions, and have ground pepper ready. If you like a thicker stew, add ground egusi or peanut paste gradually while stirring to avoid lumps. Keep tasting as you cook to balance savory and spicy notes, and remember simple swaps still deliver great flavors. Start by heating palm oil until shimmering, then sauté onions until soft and fragrant. Add ground peppers and chopped tomatoes, cooking until the liquid reduces and the oil rises to the surface for depth of flavor. Stir in flaked, smoked fish and season with salt and bouillon, adjusting to taste. Finally, fold in the spinach and simmer just long enough to wilt it, keeping the greens bright and tender for serving over your chosen starch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.